Which bird is known for its impressive courtship aerial displays? It's Monacan. What is the smallest penguin species? Little blue penguin. Which bird is capable of mimicking chainsaws and camera shutters? Correct answer is lyrebird. What is the national bird of Australia? It's kookaburra. Which bird is known for its extraordinary long migrations across continents? Answer is Arctic tern. What is the largest species of owl in the world? It's snowy owl. Which bird has the longest wingspan of any living bird? Wandering albatross. What is the only species of penguin that breeds in Africa? Answer is African penguin. Which bird is often associated with bringing good luck in many cultures? Correct answer is magpie. What is the name of the mythical bird that is said to burst into flames upon death and then be reborn from its ashes? It's phoenix.